That L5P Duramax has serious power sitting under the hood. But the factory throttle lag, stock tune limitations, and drive-by-wire hesitation are leaving performance on the table every single time you hit the gas. Whether you're towing heavy or just want the truck to respond like it means it, these 7 options will wake that diesel up. All links are in the description. 7th on the list, the Edge Pulsar LT is the plug-and-play inline module for GM diesel and gas owners who want real drivability improvements without touching the ECU. Throttle booster kills pedal lag, tire size calibration keeps your speedometer accurate after wheel upgrades, manual DPF regeneration at the push of a button, and adjustable high idle built in. 0 permanent modifications, fully removable, warranty friendly from day one. Number 6. The Faaftech Shiftpower takes a different angle. Pure throttle response control with 351 adjustable settings across 6 modes and 3 acceleration curve types. Eco mode trims fuel consumption by up to 20%, which matters on a diesel doing real work. Throttle lock adds a security layer. App controlled via iOS and Android installs in minutes with 0 harness modification. If granular pedal feel customization is your thing, nobody beats these numbers. At number 5, the Edge EvoHT2 is the classic handheld programmer pick. Performance, towing, and economy tunes on a 2.8-inch color screen with an interface that's actually easy to navigate. Adjust shift points, shift firmness, rev and speed limiters, and speedometer calibration for tire size changes all from one device. Plugs into the OBD2 port, reads and clears trouble codes, and gives you real ECU control without a laptop. Straightforward and proven. Number 4. The BD Power Throttle Response Booster uses onboard artificial intelligence to learn your driving inputs and dial in the right sensitivity settings automatically. No programming required. 6 acceleration levels from Eco all the way up to Ludicrous, plus valet and security modes. Amplifies the signal between the throttle pedal and engine control module for that instant flyback in your seat response. 50 state legal, emissions compliant, and won't touch your warranty. At number 3, the Banks Power Derringer is the most technically sophisticated inline tuner on this list, and it's not particularly close. Up to 61 horsepower and 112 pound-feet of torque, 6 power levels adjustable on the fly, and real-time auto-rate tuning that reads exhaust gas temperature, altitude, coolant temp, knock, and throttle position simultaneously to optimize power delivery every second you drive. Active Safety monitors the system 100 times per second and bypasses itself instantly if anything goes wrong. TransCommand protects the Allison transmission during hard shifts. This is engineering, not just fuel dumping. Number 2. The Banks Power Pedal Monster is the most advanced throttle controller on the market. OBD2 connected, meaning it uses real powertrain data instead of just manipulating pedal signal like every other throttle controller out there. 30 master torque response curves, 5 launch trim levels for low-speed control, reverse safety that returns to stock when backing up, and active safety fail-safe circuitry. Pairs with the iDash for real-time monitoring. Stacks with any tuner, not just Banks products. Genuinely in a different class. Pedal Commander takes the top spot based on real-world reputation and sheer accessibility for the everyday L5P owner. 4 modes, 36 settings, 15-minute plug-and-play install, free smartphone app, and 0 ECU footprint when removed. Works across the full Silverado and Sierra HD lineup with the Duramax diesel. Sport Plus mode for maximum towing response, Eco mode for fuel savings on the highway. Subscription anti-theft feature locks the pedal signal completely. Proven, trusted, and recommended by the HD diesel community consistently. 7 tuners, 1 Duramax, and a whole lot of untapped performance sitting in the factory calibration. Whether you want a simple throttle controller or a fully intelligent inline module with real-time safety monitoring, This list covers every level of commitment. Links are all in the description. Go pick your upgrade. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More Duramax and diesel truck content is on the way.